Personal growth and future success are rarely the result of dramatic, overnight transformations. Instead, they are shaped by the steady accumulation of small, consistent habits. It is often the quiet, daily actions, those seemingly insignificant.
Hey friends! Welcome back to Tim AI Tool US. If you love discovering powerful AI tools that save you time and help you make more money online, hit that subscribe button right now. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll share one hidden trick that can triple your YouTube growth, even if you're starting from zero. All right, let's talk about something exciting. Making money on YouTube without showing your face. Sounds crazy, right? But with AI, it's 100% possible. And today, I'll walk you step by step using VideoGen AI, one of my favorite tools for creating professional videos automatically. Before opening VideoGen, let's use ChatGPT to find a profitable niche. This step is super important. Your niche determines your audience and income. So here's what I type. List 10 profitable YouTube niches that can make money fast using AI videos. ChatGPT gives you ideas instantly, like finance and money tips, AI tool and tech review, bussiness entrepreneurship, motivational, and meditation. These niches are hot, evergreen, and perfect for AI automation. Let's start with the motivational storytelling videos. In VideoGen, for example, your future is built quietly, one small habit at a time. Then let the AI handle the rest. Script, visuals, voice, subtitles, all done automatically. Then click on Edit Sources. Inside, there will be many different sections. Click Free Stock. This is AI's built-in library of free images and videos, completely copyright-free. Scroll down to choose the aspect ratio. Pick the one that fits your video style. I'll choose 9:16 for a full-length tutorial. Next, select narration mode. Click AI voiceover. If you don't want voice click, no voiceover. Next, go to the duration section to select your video length. If you keep it on auto, the AI will choose a suitable duration for you. Then click on Language. There are many languages available. Choose language you like. After that, click Submit Video to let the AI create the video script. Waiting a few seconds, the AI has generated our video script. Next, choose the voiceover for your video. Click here and select a voice that matches your chosen language. Listen to a few samples and pick the one that sounds best. Then look to the right side. You'll see the Visuals section. Click there to customize how your images and clips are displayed. If you choose full screen media, the video will show full screen visuals. I'll select full screen media and apply it to all sections. Finally, click Submit Video. And there it is. Pro tip. If you want to make your motivational videos stand out, import the generated video into CapCut, then add cinematic background music. It makes a huge emotional impact. People love watching motivational AI stories. They share, comment, and subscribe because everyone wants hope. So if you stay consistent, this niche can grow fast. Finally, let's try something fun. 3D fairy tale stories for kids. These videos perform insanely well because they're evergreen and family-friendly. I'm going to show you how to bring one of the most beloved fairy tales, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, to life using VideoGen AI. No drawing, no editing, no stress. Just type what you imagine. And AI does everything else for you. Kids' story videos are gold. Parents let their kids watch for hours. With 100 to 200 consistent uploads, you can hit YouTube monetization fast and create passive income long-term. When you're happy with your video, click Download, choose 1080p or 4K, and save it. I recommend uploading directly to YouTube. Also, design a simple thumbnail using Canva or Leonardo AI. Use bright colors, clear text, and maybe a face emoji or AI icon to increase click-through rate. If you want to repurpose your videos, open them in CapCut, cut 15 to 30-second clips, and post on TikTok or Shorts with trending hashtags. Hashtag VideoGenai, hashtag AVideo, hashtag Timaitulus. So which niche are you going to try first? Motivation or fairy tales? Comment below and let's grow together. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, subscribe, and share this video with friends who want to build a faceless AI channel. Thanks for watching. And remember, with AI, you don't need expensive gear or a studio. You just need creativity and consistency. See you in the next one. Now, let's admire the beautiful artwork created by AI.
Deep within a peaceful forest, nestled among tall trees and vibrant wildflowers, stands a charming little cottage. This cozy home belongs to a family of 3 bears: Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. Each day, the bears enjoy the tranquility of their woodland surroundings, sharing meals and laughter inside their warm, inviting house. The cottage is filled with the comforting sense of porridge and the gentle hum of nature just outside the door. It is in this serene setting that an unexpected visitor is about to arrive, setting the stage for an unforgettable adventure. Goldilocks wandered through the forest until she stumbled upon a quaint cottage nestled among the trees. Curious, she gently pushed open the door and stepped inside, marveling at the cozy interior. On the kitchen table, she found 3 bowls of